In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup in just 5 minutes. Clickup is a diverse work platform that integrates everything you need to get work done. It can be overwhelming at first glance, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process, making it as straightforward as possible. First things first, you need to create an account, so head over to Clickup's website. Their website is easy to navigate and you'll immediately notice the sign up button. Clicking on this button is your first step into the Clickup workspace. As you might expect, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure it's an email you have access to, as you'll be receiving a confirmation code shortly. After entering your email, you'll click on the Next button. This will prompt you to enter your full name. It's important, especially if you're planning to collaborate with others, that you use your real name or a name that your colleagues recognize, making it easier for everyone to know who's who within the workspace. Following this, you'll be asked to create a password. Remember, while it's important that your password is memorable for you, it's also crucial that it's secure to ensure the privacy and security of your work. Once you've set your password, you'll encounter a button that says Play with Clickup. This is an invitation to start exploring Clickup's features, but there's one more step before you can dive in: verifying your email. Head over to your email inbox where you should find a message from Clickup including your confirmation code. Enter this code back in Clickup to verify your account. This step is crucial for securing your new account and ensuring that you have access to Clickup's suite of tools and features. With your email verified, it's time to set up your workspace. The first decision you need to make is what kind of workspace you need. For this tutorial, let's click on Personal, assuming you're setting this up for your own projects or tasks. When prompted, click Next. Now you have the option to connect to social media accounts like Facebook or Instagram. This can be handy for seamless sharing or importing tasks from social conversations directly into your Clickup workspace. Whether or not you choose to connect social media accounts is up to you. It's not a mandatory step, so feel free to bypass it by clicking I'm done. Next up, you'll see a prompt to highlight some of the functions you're interested in. This helps Clickup customize your experience. It's a neat feature that tailors the platform to your specific needs, enhancing your productivity. Then comes a crucial step: naming your workspace. Choose a name that clearly identifies your workspace, especially if you plan to have multiple. This could be something as simple as marketing projects, daily tasks, or even just your name. Clicking Finish seals the deal and officially sets up your workspace. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Clickup account and are ready to start exploring all that Clickup has to offer. Remember, part of the beauty of Clickup is its versatility and customizable layout, so each user's experience can be unique. Feel free to play around with settings, explore different features, and customize your workspace to perfectly fit your needs. With Clickup, you have a powerful tool at your fingertips to organize tasks, manage projects, and boost productivity all in one place. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to setting up your Clickup account. Remember, this is just the beginning. Clickup offers a plethora of features and tools designed to make your work life simpler and more efficient. Take your time exploring the platform and don't hesitate to refer to Clickup's comprehensive help documents or online community for tips and tricks on getting the most out of your new workspace. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success with Clickup.